Every review video on YouTube has a very awesome opening where they move their cameras right and left. Let me try doing something similar. I'll be moving my mobile here and there because that's what I use to record my video. But I know I'm no good because this is my first time. So let's leave it here and let's move ahead with our unboxing and a basic review of the A4TECH bloody J95 mouse. And I think I've done enough with this stupidity. Let's go ahead and start this video, shall we? Hello folks, today we are going to do an unboxing of a gaming mouse. It is an A4TECH bloody series and it is a J95 model. It's a very interesting mouse, so let's go ahead. Let me read out what is written on the box. It has 15 zones in 16 million colors. It is preloaded with 5 RGB lightning effects, and you can also change the lightnings. It also has an extra fire button, which is a very good feature. And there are some other things which are written on the other side of the box. It has 15 zone RGB animation. It has a gaming mode. It has 5000 DPI, which is very good. It has a metal glide feature. I'll show you ahead in the video that the bottom of the mouse has metal finishing, which makes it very easy to glide. Now we can go ahead and open the box. The mouse seems good in its packing. It has more features related to games which are written in the inside of the box. It has an invincible 4-course mode, sniper mode. These are some handy features in the gaming. How about we just get the mouse out of the box now. This card is telling us that we have to download the software, because without the software dedicated for this mouse is just like any other mouse. It comes with 2 stickers, the bloody logo stickers, which are quite good. Now let's take out the mouse from the inner packing. Now this is our mouse, J95 bloody. The mouse looks and feels good with its rubber coated grips, the extra buttons. This is the red metal glide which I was telling about, the USB port. The cord is braided and it's strong. So I've got the bloody J95 mouse connected with my laptop. You can see the RGB lightning. The best part is that you can modify these lighting effects as per your own needs and requirements, and it is highly customizable. You can customize the lights from this color pattern, these 2 indicators, the button lights and the lights on the right side. It comes preloaded with some of the effects. To change those, you simply have to move the mouse up from the mouse pad and click on the button marked 1. If I do, you'll see that the color has changed. These are the preloaded effects, and you keep pressing and it will keep changing. So these are some of the different effects. Another function of this button is that you can put the mouse down while you're using the mouse. You can quickly adjust the DPI whenever you want, so just double click on one. Now you will see the fast blinking of the mouse wheel. Now if you will scroll it down, up, this will reduce the DPI, this will increase the DPI. So it is very good in games or in any application or software. If you want to fine-tune something, you can quickly decrease the DPI and get your thing done. Then again press double click this button and again adjust it to the previously desired settings. The best thing about this button, the skill switch sort of a button, it is pre-programmed for double click, and just it does not only double clicks, it also adjusts your mouse to counter the recoil in the different games we see, because whenever you click or whenever you fire in any game, Counter-Strike, Call of Duty, PUBG, what happens is after firing your recoil moves your mouse up. What this does is whenever you press this, it double clicks and then it adjusts your mouse towards the bottom side. So that is good. It's a very good handy feature. These buttons which you can see 1 and 3, these are again macro adjustable, like you can program your own macros in it and you can adjust whatever you want. Overall it has around 9 buttons, left, right, this mouse 3 and 2 buttons again. Everything is adjustable, everything is programmable from the application which you can download from the bloody website. This is the metal glide feature, which is very good. It's a very smooth metal finishing. What it does is it supports and it helps your mouse to glide on the mouse pad, because plastic is a little bit porous and it cannot be as smooth as metal or glass. So what A4TECH bloody decided is to put metal glide here so that it gives you a very unobstructed movement. So this is quite good, and the grip is nice as well. But again, if you are left-handed, it is not meant for you. For example, although you can use it, but still it will leave your side buttons useless, and this wing will not be of any purpose. So this is the bloody mouse. There are a lot of customization in its software, which is great, and I think these mouse coupled with the software which it comes with, it makes it brilliant. If you do not install that software, I do not think there is much point of using these mouse, because it will just have some flashy lights and you can change them and that's about all. But with the mouse and the application, things really get interesting. So that's all what I've got to say about this bloody J95. It's a good, decent, cheap gaming mouse which can be used and try it out, and I'm sure you will like it too. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it around. I'm new to this video making thing. Take care.